The first word. See here. What is the first word? We generally say restaurant. Restaurant. See, I have written the word here, how to pronounce also in a correct way. But it's not a correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is restaurant. Restaurant. Restaurant means Bhojanashala. Yesterday we had a dinner at Italian restaurant. That means నిన్న మేము ఇటాలియన్ రెస్టారెంట్లో భోజనం చేశాము. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. See the word. How do we pronounce that? Generally we say vegetable. Vegetable we say. But it's not correct. Correct pronunciation is vegetable. 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 Meaning కూరగాయలు అని అర్థం. I need to buy vegetables for cooking. నేను వంట వండడానికి నేను వెజిటబుల్స్ కొనాలి. See the third word. How we commonly pronounce that?